view. Hold on, walk this way. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was, too.
This one. Oh, dang, there's a large yellow one underneath the
Whoa.
window. Like real big.
Well, we'll see him. Let's go down.
Is your focus stop going thing there?
Yeah.
These stairs feel work.
Yeah. But that's because we're going down. Little birdo. Oh, there he goes. Sit down. I'm recording, by the way.
Are you?
Yeah. This is really cool. I really am digging that waterfall.
I hope we get some splash from it. The fish underneath there, I think, is getting massaged.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is so beautiful. This is really fun.
There's a cool thing up there.
Yeah.
It looks like you can go in the bushes a little bit.
Look at the underside of this bridge. It's so pretty. I know that sounds dumb, but...
Oh, that's fun.
This is so pretty. Thank you. I got some. Oh my gosh. So many stairs. Big step. Oh, look at this huge bridge.
Graffiti, don't you?
What? That's beautiful.
We should get the sleeping view.
Yeah. Wonder how high up we are right now. You want to keep going straight or down?
Let's go straight. I think this leads right back to the water.
Yeah. This is really pretty.
You getting video?
Yeah. I can cut out audio. Like, it's no big deal. Oh. Which way you want to go, baby?
More left, huh?
Okay. Go left? Let's go left. Nope.
Take a moment to
Pitch my...
get some air on us.
Yeah, it feels real
That
good.
perspiration.
It feels really nice. Oh, it looks like there's more that way.
Yeah, maybe that's the way back after the trail.
Yeah, it like goes, circles around. Oh, that's good. Okay, real talk, if we lived here in San Antonio, I would come do this every weekend. Mm-hmm.
See where this goes. What's going off the back?
Mm-hmm.
Let's just like walk straight to the zoo over here.
That would be pretty cool.
Let's see my eggs at.
Hmm.
1.8 out of 2, almost there.
Nice.
Oh,
What?
a arrow just popped up.
Oh, nice.
Another marker here then.
Now we're in that sunshine.
Did you say, ooh, sunshine?
I said now we're in that sunshine.
There's a sign up ahead.
Huh?
It's got a sign up ahead.
Well, let's see what it says.
Welcome to the zoo.
That would be hilarious.
You're feeding the animal.
Probably says watch out for rattlesnakes.
Watch out for snakes. Cyndaquil.
Oh, nice.
Says Mike loves Carol.
Oh, this is leaving the gardens.
Okay.
I think this is like another entrance.
Probably. Water.
Yeah. This would be a really pretty place to have a wedding. Just saying.
Wait, why would you mention that?
Why would you mention that?
What?
What?
Oh, it's one high and one low.
Yeah. Hi, little boys. Hi, babies. Look at them eat. They're so fun. Was that the boy you were talking about?
Yeah. Are you still there? Just chilling?
I think he likes the shade.
Look at that! It's so tiny. It's still so fat.
That waterfall was like the best. All right.